Huh.
Today, this is the raining season, my favorite day. I wish I was telling my father I want raining season in my country. But now I wish that my wish comes true. So I'm so happy. You also love rain. You can also take your family to this place and enjoy rain.
After a long time.
Bye.